Welcome to class number, not class number, I will tell rather, analysis of continuous beams by finite element method, part 6, recorded one, not live. These classes are given so that easy questions which you can solve, you can, instead of giving written I can't give. So general public, I can't give written. So I conduct a small class here and give information. And again, remember, directly you come to this class, you can't make out anything. FEM class 19, you don't bother. That is for my course. So actually FEM class 14 onwards, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 already over, 19. There I started continuous beams. 5 parts already over. First to go through those 5 parts. In the thumbnail you can see title, FEM class number title starts from 14, and this continuous beam title, in the thumbnail you can see part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over, 6th one. Yesterday I considered a question with a double overhang. Then I told next I will consider single overhang. 2 questions I will solve directly in the class without much explanation. So unless you study part 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, you cannot understand this one. If you study thoroughly that one, this is nothing. First of all, I can give question and answer. That's what I am doing after one more class. See, today, left side fixed, right overhang. This is part 6. I will tell now only. Part 7 also I will conduct the same way. Right side fixed, left overhang. I will conduct the same way, that one. Okay, then that will be part 7. Part 8, part 9, what I will do is, I will divide in 2 parts. 9 questions I am solving. Everywhere. Problem, answer. Problem, answer. And I will tell you some interesting points at that time. So now, start. Right overhang, question 6. These all you know it. Theta B, theta C, unknowns. Coordinate 1, coordinate 2. I don't have to explain all these things now. Yesterday so thoroughly, overhang. No stiffness matrix for overhang. Only node at one end. Okay. Go for boundary conditions. You need only theta B, theta C, theta B, theta C. Search here. Oh, I forgot to put the sign here. Okay. Okay, no problem. If I forget, you should write. Okay. Search here. Fill up that one. You get equilibrium equation. Then get the unknowns theta B and theta C. Okay. Then last step, calculation of member and forces. These formula K into delta minus that equivalent joint load only for members with both end nodes. Overhang, I told you direct answer. See, lastly, for overhang, see, for this overhang, this moment and this reaction, I told last time how to get it. Okay, that's all. Go to that class. Now, start. After displacements are over, for AB, VA, MAB, subtracting number written here, answer required. For BC, answer required. I will draw SFD, BMD and close the class. You study thoroughly part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Then you will tell part 6, I don't want the class. I will take directly problem, independently solve and compare the result. That is good spirit. Those who are serious, they can do that way. Or in case you make a mistake in between, that's why I give via media steps here. And by chance, if any values are wrong here, you should not worry too much. You solve correctly, because whatever happens, what I am going to give answer here will be usually correct. Very rarely I make mistake in analysis. See, still I have not solved it. I will solve in front of you only. Not a big issue. Okay. I will give final answer now. You don't worry. What is this number? You don't have to worry. 35.25. You would never worry about this number. Yes, I got this moment. 31.96875. I'll put 97. Why? Second decimal is sufficient. Kilonewton meter. Now one more moment I have to get. What is there? Minus 54 divided by 2, again minus 54. Tricks are applicable for everything in structure engineering. 65.015. So I will put not 2 kilonewton meter. Now the reactions are required. Plus 54. 48.49 is this reaction. $59.51 is this reaction, that side. $53.61 is this reaction. 36.39 is this reaction. Okay. Now, just 1 minute. Okay. Now add it. 48.49 plus 36.89. By chance wrong, check once again. 84.88. That is 53.61 plus 30. Remember, still you are not come here. This is my answer, 83.61. Okay, now I will solve by FEM. Plus 51.51 plus 65.02. See the order there. Vertical upward moment. Then you get this vertical upwards. Plus 48.49. I am getting it here. Some will tell, where sir, where you are not doing anything. It is flowing from there. Then minus 31.97. See here. Perfect. This member. 36.39. This way you can enjoy if you study thoroughly and get solid grip. Try to get it. It is not that I am the only one who will having it. There will be so many people who, if they try, they can reach this level. Not a big issue. Dedication, hard work and thorough understanding required. No assumption, no crude method and no doubt to remain. Then only possible. You sometime doubt comes. Okay, let me assume. Gone. Nothing. See, when I used to study long back, once upon a time, I had studied earlier, maybe not now, 40 years earlier. When I was going through all this, each and every concept, I worried why it came that way. Okay, now leave it. Yes. Now, lastly, SFD BMD. Start. Go up by 51.51 minus 18 into 6. 56.49 here. Something wrong. 51.51 minus 18 into 6. 56.49. It is anti-clockwise. That is 48. This is wrong. 1 meter. 18 into 6 minus 48.49 is 56. Okay. Oh, it is 56. Oh, so small mistake. Mistake means print mistake. 1 minute. 18 into 6 minus 48.49 is 56.51. Print mistake. Okay. 56.51. Okay. 56.51. Okay, I'll check once again. Oh, yes, 56.51. 56.51. What is happening here? 18 into 6 minus 48.49 is 59 point. There also mistake. Okay. Light problem. 59.51. Okay. 59.5. Some will tell. Concept is so clear, but reading problem is there. Yes. Calculator, light leading problem. See, this is your old calculator. That 9 looked like 6 to me first. Okay. 59.51 minus 18 into 6. 48.49. Up 84.88. 36.39. Somewhere here. Down by 18 into 5. 53.61 here. Up by 83.61. Why? It has to come 30. It has to come 30. Go back to 30. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Then, don't write one thing. Some people write here minus 48.59. Again put minus. That you should not do. Okay. Here, 65.02. 65.02 here. Here 31.97. Little bigger. I can go for little more. Okay. It is 65.02. Here 36. 31.97. Almost half. Almost less than half. 31.97. And there 75. Little bigger. Oh, it is intercepting. Okay. 75. This is 31.97. Okay. That's all. Don't superimpose there. Now here, UDL. 18 into 6 square divided by 8. 81. How we got 81? Now I will not explain. Now it is beyond the limit. So, sorry. Now if someone asks, sir, how that 81 came means, sorry, no answer. Why? There is a limit for explaining. There, 56.25. See, it is 31.97 here. 56.25 comes, you have to verify within this line or beyond, above this line. How to verify? 31.97 plus 75 divided by 2 is 53.485. And my answer is what? 53 point something. Remember, it is 53.485. And the WL square by 8 is 56 point something. Slightly more. 56.25. So therefore, see, little positive, minus, very little positive. By chance, see, if it comes this way and if it comes this way, then this will be what? Negative. This will cancel. This will be negative. Positive will not be there. Okay. Here I told you directly join by straight line. Negative. This is the bending moment diagram. Complete the question. This is class number 19, part 6. Now it is too late. Already nearing 6 o'clock. So I cannot upload one more class today. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow most probably I will upload part 7 with other question. Part 7. Then part 8, part 9 are meant for homework questions. In front of you, I will give the question and answer. There, I won't write this matrix or nothing. Problem, answer. Problem, answer. That way, 9 questions. So I don't want more than 1 hour duration. So I will first solve around 4 or 5 questions. Take a break, one more video, and another 4 questions. That way I will solve. Okay. Now, correctly work out this question. Today's, remember, FEM class number, I made 23 because 19. 20, 21, 22 I want for this series. And I am starting pin jointed plane frames, part 1. Once again, same thing with there. After 1 or 2 classes, I will give exercise problems there. Again, lastly, as I tell, my class is meant for those who are serious and dedicated. Okay, thank you.